morning, friends. Myself, Professor Himesh Nandakishore Joshi. I am an assistant professor at Sri Natmal Goenka Law College, Akola. In today's video, we shall learn something about National Company Law Tribunal or NCLT. So, let's get started. Now, in the introduction slide, we shall see the first point. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs wide notification dated on 1st June 2016 constituted the National Company Law Tribunal or NCLT and its appellate authority, that is NCLAT or National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs wide notification dated on 21st July 2016 notified the National Company Law Tribunal Rules of 2016, also known as NCLT rules, and National Company Law Appellate Tribunal Rules of 2016, also known as NCLAT rules. NCLT is a quasi-judicial body which adjudicates issues relating to companies and corporate entities. The National Company Law Tribunal has replaced the existing Company Law Board. The Company's Second Amendment Act of 2002 provides for the setting up of NCLT and NCLAT to replace the then existing Company Law Board and BIFR. The setting up of NCLT and NCLAT are single regime to resolve corporate disputes and pending any litigation under the Companies Act. Now we shall see the meaning of NCLT or National Company Law Tribunal in brief. The NCLT, or we may call it a tribunal, is a quasi-judicial authority created under the Companies Act 2013 to handle corporate civil disputes arising under the Act. It is an entity that has powers and procedures like those vested in a court of law or judge. NCLT is obliged to objectively determine facts, decide cases in accordance with the principles of natural justice, and draw conclusions from them in the form of orders. Such orders can remedy a situation, correct a wrong, or impose legal penalties, costs, and may affect the legal rights, duties, and privileges of specific parties. The tribunal is not bound by the strict judicial rules of evidence and procedure. It can decide cases by following the principles of natural justice. So I hope you have got the meaning of National Company Law Tribunal and National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, although in brief, but I guess you might have understood the crux of today's video. So let's see you in the next video. Until then, I'll sign off. Thank you, friends.